Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can sign up on a Coinex app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your particular Coinex app given right over here. Then first cross this out and now simply tap on this option of login and /sign up. Now we're going to switch to the sign up option by tapping on top right corner, and we're going to enter our email address. Then we're going to tap on done. We're going to enter the password for us, and we're going to enter the referral code if you have. So if you don't, then we're going to tap on the option of sign up. Complete the puzzle for the verification that you're not a robot. And we're going to enter the security authentication, which will come in on our email. Simply wait for the email sent by the Coinex itself. We're gonna go ahead, check it out in our Gmail app as well. There we go. We're gonna tap on it and we're gonna simply check out the number 87, tap on done, and there we go. We have successfully signed up, and that is it. So that's how you can do it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.